Si Tala, siya yung first daughter namin. So, we consider her as our first blessing sa buhay namin. Napakasaya namin nung nabigay ng Panginoong Diyos yung unang hiling namin na magkaroon ng anak. Masaya kami na dumating si Tala sa buhay namin at napapangalagaan namin yung kanyang kalusugan.
Baby, I wish you have a good health and focus on your studies. We love you, baby.
Happy birthday, Tala! So, sana happy ka and nag-enjoy ka sa binigay sa'yo ni Mommy and Daddy and had fun with your friends.
Happy birthday po. Sana lagi kang magpakabait ha. Huwag makulit.
Happy birthday, Tala. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Tala.
Happy birthday, Tala.
Happy birthday, Tala.
Hi, Bebe. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tala.
Happy birthday, Tala.
Happy birthday, Tala.
Happy birthday, Tala.
Hi, Ate Tala. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Tala. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Tala. Happy birthday, Tala. Happy birthday, Ate Tala.
Happy birthday, Ate Tala. Happy birthday, Tala.
Happy birthday, Tala.
Tala, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tala. Happy birthday.
Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Yun lang, be a good girl at maging strong lang yung faith natin. At always love your parents and ang Diyos Ama sa taas. Unahin lang.